In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit drop-down lists in Google Sheets. If you're looking to add an element of control and convenience to your spreadsheets, adding drop-down lists is a superb choice. These lists can help streamline data entry, ensuring consistency and reducing the likelihood of errors. Let's start by opening your Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets on your browser and selecting the sheet you wish to edit. Once your spreadsheet is open and ready, the first thing you'll want to do is select the specific cell where you want to create your drop-down list. Just click on the desired cell, which will highlight it for editing. Now, head over to the top menu and click on Data. This action will open a drop-down menu where you will find several options. You'll want to go ahead and click on Data Validation. This area is where you'll be able to dictate the rules for your cell. When the data validation settings open, click on Add Rule. This is the beginning of setting up your drop-down list. You'll need to specify the options that will appear in this list. In this case, we're going with simple choices. Start by typing in Yes for the first option. Directly below that, type in No for the second option. These choices can be adjusted according to your needs and are just a starting point. If you're interested in adding a visual cue to your choices, you can select a fill color for each option. This technique can improve usability, especially in larger datasets where a quick visual reference might save time or reduce errors. After setting your options and personalizing their appearance, click on the Done button. Doing this will finalize your first drop-down list. You might want to test it out now. Just click on the cell where you set up the list and see if you can choose between Yes or No. Once you've confirmed everything is working smoothly, let's move on to setting up another drop-down menu. Click on a different cell where you'd like another list. Repeat the process. Go to Data, then Data Validation, and click Add Rule. This time, if you prefer, select Dropdown from a range under the Criteria section. This advanced feature lets you pull options from a defined range of cells. Highlight or input the cell range containing your desired list items. Once your range is set, click OK to confirm it. Again, you may choose to apply a fill color to highlight available options. Personalizing these elements can be particularly useful for differentiating items at a glance. After this setup, hit Done, and you're all set. Make sure to click on the new drop-down list to see if it works as intended, allowing you to select from your predefined range options. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enhance your Google Sheets with drop-down lists.